Okay, example 3, a right circular cylinder has a radius of 4 inches and a height of 10 inches as shown. Find the surface area of the right circular cylinder. One other thing that might help you determine what the base is if you can't recognize that we have a circle and an identical twin circle is if they use an adjective to describe the cylinder, in this case circular, they're telling you what kind of base it has. But again, obviously this circle down here and this circle up here represent the same object, so that represents our base. So again, if I draw my base, there's my homework box again. Draw a circle, radius is 4, B equals something, P equals something, H equals something. B and P come directly from this. I'm not even looking at the three-dimensional figure when I do this. Area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. 16 times pi is about 50.24. Continue to use 3.14 to approximate pi. The perimeter of a circle is 2 pi times its radius. That's just going to be 8 pi, which is about 25.12, again using 3.14 to approximate the value of pi. The height, notice this time it says a height of 10 inches as shown. Also you can see here base and base. You can see the height, the distance between the bases is 10. So two different ways to find the height there. Take your pick, they both work. So once again, drew the base, determined the area of base, the perimeter of the base, looking just at the two-dimensional picture using appropriate formulas. This one, of course, the area formula, that one perimeter, which is circumference of a circle. And then height is, again, just inspection. It's either in the words, on the figure, or both. So if you got the three-dimensional picture, it should be there. If not, it'll be in the words. Surface area formula is always and has been and always will be 2b plus pH. So we get surface area equals the magical 2 that's just part of the formula times 50.24 plus 25.12 times 10. Products first. 2 times 50.24 is 100.48. 25.12 times 10 makes 251.2. Once we get both multiplications taken care of, the final step is to simply add those two numbers. We have decimal numbers here, 100.48 plus 251.2. Be careful with adding decimals that we line up the decimal places. I might even put a 0 here to hold a place. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1, 5, 3. So 351.68 inches is the unit we're dealing with, so inches squared.